welcome to Baking with Bunny. Today we're gonna make Oprah's chocolate chip cookies. This is Oprah. Melt half a cup of unsalted butter. We have salted butter. It says unsalted butter.
That's okay. I use salted butter and I just don't use salt in the recipe.
Stirring associatively.
Well, read the
It's a
instructions.
stir associatively.
It says what?
Associally.
Let me see.
Associally.
Let me see.
Associally. Right?
It says occasionally.
Occasional. Okay. Kosher salt, half teaspoon.
We're skipping the salt because remember we have salted butter.
Yeah. But you guys can use salt if you want. Baking powder and half teaspoon. Baking soda.
Put it under, honey. Put it under that thing. There you go.
Just popped off.
It's okay.
Yep. There we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. In a large bowl, combine 3/4 cup packed dark brown. Dark brown sugar and half a cup of granulated sugar. Here.
There you go.
Okay. Now do I push this button?
Not that one, on the other side.
Stir in butter and add 1 large egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay. I can crack the egg. Ooh, yum.
Are there any shells in there?
No.
Okay, good job.
Listen, I've cracked an egg before. 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
We got 2 of those.
Yeah.
All right. You don't need to put the lid back on. Did you just roll your eyes at me?
No. I've been doing baking with Bunny for so many years, so let's take a look while this is mixing of the video, of my first video.
Hi, welcome to Baking with Bunny. Today we're making a butter pie,
No, a butter cake.
a butter cake. Now let's make some butter cake!
We finished baking them for 13 minutes. And I guess he's my co-host. This is my bro. Say hello, Daddy. Hello. Okay, so now we're going to try the cookies. Let's see how they taste. Yummy.
They're good?
Mm-hmm. Got the recipe in Oprah's magazine. Daddy, do you want some?